In this example, we have a source that emits a wave with a power of 24.5 watts, and we want to know at a distance of 10 meters what the intensity of the wave is. And what is the intensity of the wave at 50 meters? Alright, so we know that intensity equals power divided by area, so that's the surface area that the sound wave is traveling through. And since we're assuming spherical waves in this course, we need to replace that area with 4 pi r squared, which is the surface area of a sphere. So I can plug in the power provided, 24.5 watts, and divide it by 4 pi times 10 meters squared. That gives me an intensity of 0.0195 watts per meter squared. Now I want to know what the intensity is at a different distance. So I'm going to use a different relationship just to use a different relationship. So I know that the intensity 1 times r1 squared equals intensity 2 times r2 squared. So I'm going to plug in my 0.0195 watts per meter squared times 10 meters squared equals intensity 2 times 50 meters squared. And that gives me an intensity of 7.8 times 10 to the minus 4 watts per meter squared. And that number makes sense because as the distance from the source increases, the intensity of the sound wave should decrease. So since we got a smaller number, that does make sense.